Welcome to the Harry Potter Studio Tour. This is an entryway.
Isn't it pretty? So cool. And look! Massive, massive gift shop.
I think that was the food court. It looks like the Great Hall.
Oh yeah, you're right.
This is the movie poster room. All those posters are in different languages. It's kind of a staging area. We were in there for a long time, weren't we?
We were. It's got Japan, China, Taiwan, US, and all the people who were on staff for the movies, the directors, the stunts, the artwork, all of them. And of course, J.K. Rowling, who brought all of this to life with her amazing books.
So they show a little movie, and then after the movie, the screen goes up, and this is all behind it. And this is us walking into the dining hall.
Great.
Great hall.
And of course, we are missing the pretty floating kids, pumpkins, and all that, but that was all CGI. And of course, they don't have the CGI pretty ceiling of the Great Hall. But as you can see, the house tables are all there, along with all the emblems of the houses. You've got the Snake of Slytherin, the Badger of Hufflepuff, the Raven of Ravenclaw, and the Finwë of Gryffindor.
Nerd.
Yes, I am. I'm proud of it.
No, it's kind of neat to see it all set up like that, and then they had all the tables, the outfits for the different houses, and then the big fireplace. Come on in, keep moving. Keep moving.
Details on each different house.
And of course, here I see Hagrid.
This is awesome.
And these are just mannequins with outfits on.
Of each professor, and as you can see behind Hagrid and Professor Flitwick, the house counters. McGonagall, Madame Pomfrey, Professor Sprout, and Professor I can never say it. Trelawney?
Oh, and this is the Great Hall. The staircase changes.
This is not the Great Hall. This is the corridor.
Oh, it's kind of cool though. They have the actual paintings move,
Yes.
which you get to make your own. I think you see that after this. Get to see the stairs change in a second.
They actually moved, which was really cool. But of course, I was just
Yeah, they wouldn't let you go up the stairs. That was kind of weird. But I guess with them changing, that would be pretty bad.
oh yeah.
There we go.
And we all know me, I would fall and break every bone in my body off of that. But I mean, they have like who's
Yeah.
hooked up, so.
Worrying. The stairs. Oh, there's our portrait. It's kind of cool that those portraits too.
Or like what are we supposed to do?
What are we supposed to do? Oh, this is the what is it?
Dormitories.
Yeah, what's her name?
The Great Lady.
Oh,
Or the Fat Lady.
fat lady. She sings, but she isn't getting any better.
Her singing's horrible.
Nice. And then yeah, it shows the it's just the Gryffindor and the Slytherin one. This is the Gryffindor one.
Oh, yeah.
Harry on the top of the stairs. And then Ginny and Hermione.
Homerooms. They did a really good job of nailing down just each detail.
Those are the actual sets.
I know. As we've seen, the creators of these movies really brought the books to life. Quidditch locker room, or no, that's just the
Yeah, this is the room they come in the common room. So go through the fat lady through there and then and Slytherin. There were so many people by the table playing games and everything. Did we actually end up sitting down or were we just like forget it?
I think we passed by just because it was such a point to actually play.
Well, and it's funny, you can play with the chess set, but you can't touch anything else on the table, which was kind of weird. So there's like 2 seats where you can actually sit down and play chess, and then the rest of them are like, don't sit here and don't touch anything. And that's the Quidditch. At the end of it, you get to see us do the Quidditch experiment, and then to the right is the actual bedrooms. I didn't film any of that, but I took some pictures. Yeah, and there's the actual Gryffindor bedroom, and then
The staircase up to Dumbledore's office, guarded by the Griffin statue.
this was pretty cool. Very long line for the
Pensive.
Pensieve.
Pensieve.
You eventually got to
I did.
play with it.
Yep, it
But
was really cool.
You can see the dry ice steam coming off of it. And then I finally got it. Here it is.
This is where
Oh, this was really neat. This is all the costumes and set design. And you can also design your own Death Eater mask. It's kind of fun.
that was cool.
And it shows it up there on those masks. They kind of, they're blank masks, and I guess there's projectors that project on it. Oh, the Mirror of Erised. That was fun, but a very long line. Woo! You in the library.
Gryffindor.
And then,
Forbidden Forest.
Hagrid and Buckbeak.
Hagrid, if it gets out of Azkaban, help Kevin.
And the centaurs. Oh, the car.
There, the centaurs.
But I cannot deny them fresh meat when it wanders so willingly into our midst. God's eye, friend of Hagrid.
Achievement,
Yeah, and they come down from the ceiling. You don't see them until you walk away.
Yeah.
Oh, Hagrid's hut. Butter beer and pumpkin pasties. They were so good. Oh,
Oh.
roast beef, Yorkshire pudding. The food there was amazing.
Yeah, it was.
And when you first go out, you hit the butter beer place. So get your butter beer and your pumpkin pasties, and then go inside to the restaurant, wait another hour and a half, and get your meal. Totally worth it.
Totally. And this is the awesome gate
Just move right over there.
and bridge that they blow up at the end.
Oh, what a great shot.
Actually, really is a good shot.
And then I think after this, yeah, it leads out to the
Giant
chess
chessboard
set.
where Ron and Harry have to play in order to save the Philosopher's Stone or the Sorcerer's Stone, wherever you're from. From
In the Weasley's house. Not the Weasley's.
Potter's.
Potter's house. No, what is it? The Dursleys.
The Dursley's house, yeah.
Number 3 or 4.
4.
And
Wow.
yeah. Night bus. It's getting huge online.
At this point, it was cold, so we really didn't go.
Yeah, and we'd already been there like, what, 4 hours?
Yep.
Yeah, save all day. Oh, the cupboard under the stairs. That was pretty cool, actually. The house was really cool.
Yep. And of course, the parlor, the dining room.
It's kind of cool they left it like a bunch of different scenes.
Yep.
Which is really neat. And the kitchen is actually like a real kitchen. Oh, yeah. So this is a platform. To the right, you can see the line, and it just snakes. It was like an hour and 10-minute long line
Yep.
just to get a picture of pushing the cart into the wall. Just kind of cool. They have a bunch of them. They have like 6 carts there. But it's such a long line. That's a great gift shop. That lady that's right there holding the sign, you gotta talk to her to get you allowed to go on. And then the big old long line to see the train.
Straight up magic.
Yep. That's got the all the flues. Oh, when you go, make sure that you scan every QR code like at least twice. Because we only scanned the flu one once and we still haven't got our pictures or our video from that.
You got the fountain, you got the costumes, the apologies potion, the offices.
And here's actually an interesting one too, because here's where it starts kind of overlapping with Fantastic Beasts. So there was like the coffee cart or whatever for Fantastic Beasts.
I just wanted to walk
And there were some of the costumes.
So they basically did the whole Wizarding World, all of Harry Potter and Fantastic Beasts, which just to see the detail and work put into these movies and these books.
That was really cool. Oh, and then this is the creature workshop,
Yeah.
which we kind of flew through because by this time we were both just exhausted. We'd been through over 5 hours. But it was really cool to see all of the different creatures coming up. You'll get to see the, what was it, the big snake?
Oh, Beanie.
No, the one that, the basilisk.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
the
there's-
basilisk. Yep.
There's the book of monsters. Just fun, it just randomly attacks you. Do something.
Do something. Bite me.
Yeah, you can see the,
There's the basilisk.
yeah, next to one of the dragons.
Well done, dragon. And Gorp.
And then, of course, you end on the goblins and
House elves.
house elves. It's actually funny, there wasn't a big old long line to get a picture with Dobby.
Our new best friend. Oh no, that's Creature.
And then Diagon Alley, which is weird because it's so... It is the sets from the movie, but you can't go into any of them, which I thought was kind of weird.
Me too.
Although by this time, I'm so tired we didn't care anyways.
Yes. I was seeing double. We were trying to help keep each other standing upright.
Ollivanders, which was pretty cool to see. That was actually...
I did get a wand.
Yep. Yeah, the gift shop's huge. You can get anything you want. Oh, also, if you do buy like a shirt or a what do you call that? Cloak, they'll monogram it for free.
Yep. Although you do have to pay the wand engraved.
Yeah. There's a couple other ones you gotta pay for. Oh, Sirius's family tree.
That was pretty cool.
I swear I
But after the third movie, they added to the castle.
Oh, yeah.
It became more alive. It became seemed bigger. Just a lot more things were added into. But again, that's when the books started to get longer and longer.
And this is about the end of the video, so coming up is our Quidditch video. So enjoy that, and if you have any questions or want to go, please feel free to drop us a line.
The quaffle is released, and the game begins! He's got the snitch! Harry Potter receives 150 points